Hi there YouTube, Joe here again with another video. Today I'm doing something slightly different. I have a Range Rover here that I'm working on, which have a problem with the SOS system. Run a diagnostic and it came out to be the little backup battery. So I'm going to show you where this is located and how to go about changing it. Right, this is a 2018 L405 and the telematics unit is located in this C pillar here, just behind here. There's a few trims need to come off. I already removed that one there for where the air conditioning unit is for the back, and you need to remove 8mm bolt in here. And there's another one behind there, and there's one down here that I already removed. So once I take these out, then we'll carry on from there. Right, now the bolts have been removed, we can easily, this is just clipped on just to one bolt and the rest of it is clipped. So once that is out, a little bit of force should get it out. And another 10mm bolt here. Right, once you remove that bolt and that one down there is just a few clips around us holding it. You're gonna have to remove, there's two torque bolts up here, I already removed them. Once you remove, this can be lifted up like that. You just lift it up, pull a little bit of force on this, and it will come out. And here we have the telematics unit. The battery is just located here, so it's a little torque screw that you need to remove from there. And you can just pick that thing out. And there you can see the little battery in there. Right, you have a little cable that's plug into the circuit board there. Just be gentle with it. Right, this is our new battery. Part number LR089861. That's a genuine part as well. So we're gonna install this. Right, this little, as you can see, just put it in the reverse order of taking it out. Once you have installed, you just put the inspection panel back on. There is a code on the system that would have to be clear. So once you clear the code, everything should be back to normal. I hope this helps someone out there, and I'll see you in the next video.